Today, I'm going to be making a fantastic sea bass sandwich with a red pepper aioli, bacon, all the trimmings. It's going to be packed full of flavour. For the red pepper aioli, sliced pepper, add to a roasting tray, followed by garlic cloves, olive oil, and a good pinch of salt. Now place in the oven and cook. When cooked, wake everybody up with a splash of red wine vinegar. Transfer all the ingredients to a processor and blitz. Add to mayonnaise, followed by capers, lemon juice, stir well, season to taste with salt and pepper, stir, and place in the fridge. For the seasoned flour, add flour to a bowl, followed by onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, chili powder, brown sugar, and salt. Mix well and put aside. The fish I'll be using, of course, is sea bass, Ludemer, wolf of the sea, and branzino. First, add a small coat of olive oil on both sides. Add to the flour, coat, shake off the excess, and transfer to a hot pan and cook. When cooked, transfer to a plate and remove skin. You can use any bread for this, but I recommend a good strong crusty bread. Add olive oil with a light pinch of salt and toast. So like I said, very simple sandwich, but it tastes amazing. I know it, I just know it will. Oh yeah. Oh man. Right, let's go for a good tug. Oh, I can taste that seasoned flour, onion powder, garlic, chili. And that sea bass is unbelievable. Really, really nice. It's just a good, tasty fish sandwich, and I love it. Anyway, thanks guys. Look at that beauty. Now that's a sandwich. Beautiful.
So there you have it, a beautiful Reuben sandwich that you can enjoy.